surface water irrigators particularly began using more and more groundwater because it was just easier to access. The groundwater table's high, labor requirements are low. It works into center pivot sprinkler very well. And so they've tended not to use their surface water rights. And those surface water rights, both the actual native use rights and then storage rights, started sitting inactive in Lake McConaughey for a lot of users in a lot of the small districts. And we have been able to, with help of the NRDs in Nebraska and then Central Nebraska Public Power and Irrigation District and NPPD, have been able to arrange or work on leases that lease some of the storage water that otherwise would be unutilized, in a sense that we're not taking, it's irrigation water, but we wouldn't be taking acres out of irrigation to use it. It's basically underutilized storage water that was set as more or less an insurance policy. We're currently putting together deals for these for this water. And, you know, like everything else, it goes in fits and starts, but we're looking at a much lower cost because since it is underutilized water, low opportunity cost, we're tending to look at more of a cost of service basis for paying for it. That is, we would reimburse the districts based on the cost they incur to store it and manage it. And as a result, we would be getting it for something less than what it might be marginally, or its marginal value in agriculture. So we've been very fortunate about getting a good chunk of water using that method. Of course, the bad side of that is we can't afford to offer irrigators a lot of money because in the case of irrigator leases, because we have this other water we're getting cheap. So we try to pay everyone the same, and we hope it works out, but we'll see how it does in the future.